Good morning, Ninja Nation! Sandy C here with some more uncommon sense and more uses for mustard. Mustard? Don't be so silly! Mustard. And look, I got it on my back right there. There's some mustard. Hey, someone's coming to my door. What do you want? Oh, well, we're going to keep shooting. Not ending, right? That's how Ninja Nation does it. Yeah, I got some mustard on my back right here. Okay. So, another great use for mustard. We were talking about how it's great for burns. Yesterday, the day before, some day like that. Well, something I didn't tell you, I squared off with a wasp in my garage a few days ago. Was it Tuesday? Tuesday morning, a wasp was harassing me and all my guys in the garage. I squared off on it. When he came at me, bam! I caught him with a right jab right in his nose. He dropped like a sack of potatoes. He was down for a full 10 count. Then he got up and flew away. Well, I think that wasp was holding a grudge, folks. Because this morning, when I went in the garage, I was loading up the truck. Bam! I got stung right in the back. Right there. Right there. Wham! He got me. He got me good. And I never even saw him. Sneak attack. It's dirty. Watch out. Wasps have no couth. There we go. Couldn't think of a word. We'll go with couth. No couth. No honor. What? Who's flying around me now? So, I figured because we did the burn thing, let's check it out. See if it's something, let's just see. Let's just see. Because I like mustard. Okay? Boom. I put a dollop of this on it. Instant relief. Instant. Instant relief. Instant because it was cold, but then it completely neutralized it. Instead of that, how your skin gets tough and it gets crampy, if you know the medical terms of all this junk, all the jargon, go ahead and put it below. All your comments are always lovely and welcome and wanted. Please hit the like, please share, please subscribe, and always read the smart comments below. People are great. You awesome subscribers are great. So, yeah, the mustard instantly relieved the sting. So, any of you that, there you go. Another use for mustard. Take care of your stings. It drew it right out. It doesn't, the way that after you get stung, it kind of, that feeling expands out and your skin gets all hard and that poison's in there working. Whatever their venom is working and just continually doing it. I put the mustard on. I think it stopped it and is helping to draw it out. It instantly stopped the pain from progressing. And it actually honestly feels like it's reducing everything that wasp sting does. So, Sandy C, uncommon sense, more uses for mustard. And there is a mustard shortage coming. Go figure, another shortage. Who'd have thunk it? Daggum dang. So glad we have Brandon in the house to help us and make us short of everything. What a donkey. Go get some yellow mustard. It's good to eat. It's good for hot dogs, hamburgers. And it's good for burns and now insect bites. All right, guys. Sandy C, uncommon sense. Remember, I'm not a doctor, lawyer, or any other brainwashed professional out there. Ooh, that was a cheap shot, huh? I'm not anybody fancy. I'm nobody special. No, I'm not nobody special. Melonhead's nobody special. But I'm someone that's not special. All right? I don't have any fancy things about medical hanging from my wall, I'm not an accredited investor or any of this stuff. All right? I'm just an idiot with some real long hair and an addiction to mustard. Okay? So go out there, have a great Friday, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.